dark mode in the Google Chrome, so it is the best video for you. So without wasting any time, so let's get started and turn this white typical Google Chrome theme into a dark mode theme. Okay, so first of all, in the search or type web address, in here you have to type Chrome you have to write these words in the search bar address and you have to just search it. Then this type of interface you will find, and here it will be written experiments, and the warning is given that the experimental features ahead, means these are the harmful features. You do not have to do anything. Just here you can find here search flags, then just click on the search flags and write here dark. You have to just write the dark mode. After writing the dark mode, here you will find these two options. Then here you just go to the default and just enable it. Here also default and enable it. You have to both enable this option. You can note it and go 10 seconds back to watch this correctly. So after that, here you will find one option, relaunch now. Just click on the relaunch now and the Chrome will be launched, and you can find that here you will get the dark mode. But if you just see here, it is not working in the home interface. So to work on the home interface, you have to just go back, go into the settings, and you have to just go for the apps. Then you have to just go to the app manager. After going to app manager, you will find app manager in different settings in different phones and models. So here you have to just go for the Chrome browser, and just here you have to just force stop it. Here you have to just click on the force stop and you have to grant the permission. Then just go to the recent menu and clear the Chrome from here. After clearing the Chrome browser, you have to relaunch the Chrome browser from your home screen, and then just you have to go in the three dots. After going to the three dots, here you will find the settings option. Just click on the settings option. After clicking on the here you have to go settings, go in the settings, and here you will find the dark mode. As you can just see here, you can see dark mode, and just click on the on button and the dark mode is now on. If you just go back, you will find that the whole Google interface has been changed into this one. And if you just browse any website, suppose I am just going to do the Flipkart Lite, then you will see the interface of the Flipkart in the black color mode, means here also you will get the black theme, or you can say the dark mode. If you just go to the Amazon, here I will show you that also. You can see all is turned into the black. You can get the dark experience from the white. If you just go to the YouTube also, here you will find the black theme in the YouTube. So in this way you can change the Google Chrome white theme into the dark theme. And I know all of us love the dark. And at last, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Technical Vani. At last, thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.